Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What, we have a 2016 Audi Q3. What are we doing? We're doing a carb clean. So let's get that intake out and get this going. Now, there's a bunch of things we have to get off. We move the fuel line, we disconnect the breather right here. We're gonna have to take the intake boot out. Probably gonna have to take the oil filter out to reach a connector that's right there. We gotta disconnect the high pressure fuel line right here, and yeah, we're getting there, guys. We're getting there. Here we have the filter out, guys, and as you can see right there, that's the reason why I had to take the filter out. We would not be able to get that connector, and that goes to the intake runner flaps of the intake. Very good. Well, alright guys, we got the intake out. 2 injectors did in fact stay, but we have all new gaskets and seals for that. Let's get in the runners real quick. So you can see they're freaking full of carbon. So remember how these guys look, guys. Please remember how that looks, because when I'm done with it, it's going to look a whole lot different. And you want to get both sides. See how that chunk's flying out? That's good. You want that. Now let's get a comparison. So you see all the chunky stuff is not in. It's still there, but it's not nearly as bad as that one there. So now we're gonna vacuum out that stuff, and then we're gonna get in there with the pick, scrape up as much as possible, then spray some good old degreaser in there and get some red Scotch-Brite squares and get it nice and shiny. Very good. Very good. Very good. Well, alright guys, we're just about done with one cylinder, or excuse me, one port. You can see how clean it is. Right now we're at the final stage. I got some brake clean in there, it's soaking, and I think I'm going to go to lunch. But as you can see, we're looking pretty good compared to Great Googly Moogly. Very good. Alright guys, we got one done. We got 2 done. We rotated the engine so we could get the 3rd done. And number 4, look at that. Looking good. Looking real good in there. Let's get even more light. Look at that. You could actually see freaking valve. You could actually see those valves. I know it could be a whole lot better, but you saw what we were working with. Look at all that caca. Look at none of that caca. Very good. Very good, guys. Now that we have all the chambers cleaned, we're going to take our pipe cleaner. We're going to clean out the injector hole. And then we're going to clean up this whole area. And then after that, we got to replace all the seals on the injectors. Very good. Very good, guys. Everything is cleaned. We got the brand new intake, brand spanking new intake ready to go in. All our fuel injectors have brand new seals. Let's get it in. Giggity. All right, let's see how much we suck. Right about there. All aboard the freaking struggle bus. Is that? No, that's not where I want to be. I got freaking 4 holes I gotta line up. Well, actually, it's more than that because there's studs. fell all the way down into the freaking car, and I can't even see where it is. Come on, come on. Oh, I just lost. All right. There's one. There's the other. All right, now. Am I in there? I can't even see. All right, yep. Come on. Come on. Give it a push. That's connected. All right, very good, guys. We are finally freaking in there. All right, guys, we're almost there. We still have some minor things that we have to go through here. We still got this vacuum line we got to put on. We still got a throttle body that we have to put on. Oil filter, breather hose there. We got to put some trim right here to hold the fuel line in place. We have an evap line that has to connect here. We have some harnesses we have to connect. We got to put back the air box, reattach the charge pipe. There's a number of things that we still have to do, but we're on the back half of the job. So you know what it is. It's very good. Very good, ladies and gentlemen. Everything is back in. Throttle body is all mounted up. Air intake is all torqued to spec, and we have a fuel injection service. We're ready to go to clean the injectors. Very good. Very good, very good, very good, ladies and gentlemen. If you do not know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.